Hello students, welcome to all of you. My name is Bhavika and I will teach you geography. So out of our curriculum for unit 1, we are taking up chapter 1 first, which is representation of geographical features. I'm sorry. So here in this video, I will be showing you the pages from the book. You can go through them and understand the concept easily. And I will read it to you and I will explain you at the same time in this video only. So let's start. Like here you can see the size of the earth is very large, therefore it is very difficult to see the whole earth at a time in its true shape and size. From the surface of the earth you cannot say that the earth is spherical in shape. Thus we use models, photographs or maps to see the earth as a whole or a part of it. People probably began their search for a model of earth long before the civilization. Like you can see the earth, our earth is, that our earth is a very big planet that exists in the solar system, and this big planet we cannot see with our eyes, in the sense that we cannot see actually that it is in a spherical shape. So what do we do to understand the actual shape of the earth? Like here you can see the globe, and you can see that the globe is representing earth as a sphere. So what do we do to understand the shape and size of earth? We make the model of the earth, and globe is one of the model of the earth. So what is the definition of a model? A model is a representation of an object. We have seen the models of an aeroplane or a ship. There are the copies of real things. They are also called physical models. Means models are the copies of the original thing. Like here we cannot keep the whole earth here. So what do? We just keep a representative of the earth. This is the meaning of representation. Means we are representing the shape and size of earth by this globe. Okay, let's now move on the definition of the globe. What is a globe? A globe is one of the most common models used by the geographers. A globe is the most appropriate model of the earth. It is round like earth, like you can see here, and show all the continents and oceans in their true shapes and size. Now these continents are just representing the actual size of a continent or an ocean, but actually these continents and oceans are not of this size. This is what you have to understand by this, that actually these continents are not that small like here we are seeing. Actually these are big enough, but to represent it on this globe surface, we are just reducing the size of it, and actually it is representing the size which is actually present over there in comparison to the whole earth. This is what you have to understand. Now what are the disadvantages of globe? See, we can see only half of the globe at a time. A globe cannot be developed for a part of the earth, and it does not gives the detailed information due to its small size. It is difficult to build a large size globe, and a large size globe will be bulky and tough to handle. So these are a few of the disadvantages related to the globe. The first globe was probably developed by the ancient Greeks in about 150 BC. Thus, we need some device which is simple, easy to make and handle, and can help us to understand the earth in a better way. So here is the person who first discovered the maps, which we will be reading here. Next, representatives of the earth features are maps. Maps drawn on a flat surface in the place of a curved surface of a globe can be a useful alternative. The word map has been derived from the Latin word mappa, which means cloth or napkin. It was given this name since in the older times the maps were formed on either the skin or cloth. That's why they were given this name. The ancient maps were on flat surface as people thought that the earth was flat with sides and corners. The most famous ancient map of the world was made in the 2nd century AD by the Greek scholar Claudius Ptolemy. He based his drawings on mathematical calculations along with the information provided by the sailors and the explorers. The oldest known map on a baked clay tablet is more than 4,000 years old. This is the map which was formed on a clay tablet. You can see it is 4,000 years old, and here is the picture of the Claudius Ptolemy who first developed the map. So this is it for today. We'll be proceeding in the next chapter since it's the first class and I want you to pile up with more of the work. So this is it. Thank you very much.